Okay, so we are going to update this iPhone 7 in DFU mode. Before you start, be sure your battery is 100%. Sometimes it can, this setting, it can even change the capacity, increase it, but not every time. Also be sure you have connected to a PC with iTunes installed. We are going to take the IPS from the DFU.me site. Okay, so this is the site. You just go to the last version for 15.6. You download it. It's very fast. You click here. I already downloaded, so no need to do that. I'm going to start my iTunes now. So let me find the icon. iTunes. It's right here. Okay. Download iCloud. I don't want this. So we are going to turn our iPhone in DFU mode first. It's let me just focus what will appear in the iTunes app. So to put your iPhone 7 in DFU mode, you press the volume up button, volume down with shut off button. Let it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release this button and hold the volume down still, and let's see if it works. Okay, so it is in the recovery mode. Your iPhone should be black like this. So we are going to click X, we don't care. Okay, so to install this IPS, we don't need to click restore. We have to hold our shift key on the keyboard first, like that. Then we are going to click restore. So we are going to click restore now, and as you see, it will show us our folders. We choose the IPCU file, click open, and click restore now. This should take a few minutes, but it's a lot faster than using iTunes to download the software directly. So let's see how long this takes. It's extracting the software now. As you can see, our iPhone is still black, nothing happens here. So we are going to wait a few minutes, I think. Also, like I said, be sure your battery is 100% charged before doing this. Also, we are going to restore this as a new iPhone. So be sure you save your stuff before doing this. Like I save my files here, my pictures. I don't use the iCloud restore method because I want to set this phone as new. Also, this is one of the best methods to not have any bugs and other stuff. Okay, so it's preparing iPhone for restore now, as you see. Waiting for iPhone. Also be sure to not have a damaged cable. This is a bit old, but I think it will work. So now we can see the logo. It's preparing the iPhone for restore. Also our iPhone starts to restore now. So we'll come back again after we set up this iPhone as new. Okay, so we are back. It's almost finished. We still have loading here. That as you see, the software finished this. I think now we can remove the cable, but I will like to let it connected until it finishes this stuff. We're going to stay a bit with it. Okay, we can see the iPhone now appears here. This stuff still loading pretty slow. Oh, we tried to activate the iPhone, but I have a SIM pin. Unlock to enter it. Disconnect here. I'm sure the SIM card is inserted correctly. Okay, so let's remove the cable now. As you see, we can close now the iTunes program. By the way, this funny stuff happens when you close iTunes. Look, already very annoying stuff. And most people don't have a DVD writer, so they don't care. Okay, so we are going to set up the iPhone now. We are going to choose our language. English. Yeah, we can do it in English. I'll connect my country because I have the Apple Store set on my country. So I have some paid apps. Okay, so we have the SIM lock. We're going to enter the code, doesn't matter. Quick start setup manually. Okay, keyboard, Romanian, English. Continue. Is going to search for our Wi-Fi. I don't know why it can't find the 5 GHz band. Now going to use my data connection, my mobile data, doesn't matter. It may take a few minutes to activate the phone. Okay, maybe we should have set the Wi-Fi was faster, but the 4G is also fast. Privacy settings as usual. Okay, so here setup Touch ID. We are going to set up now. You're going to put your fingerprint. Lift and raise your fingerprint. Okay. Adjust the grip. So okay, when you unlock, you kind of press like this. So it's better to try like this to set it up. Complete. Oh, passcode. passcode option. I like 4 digits. I'm not going to show you the code. I'm going to put it very fast. Okay, so we have set up. So now we have restore from, don't know if you can see, from iCloud backup, restore from my Mac. Move data. No, we are going to don't transfer apps and data. Okay, I'm going to enter my ID. Also, don't want anyone to see it. Let me enter very fast. By the way, this usually it's .iCloud. But some people have Gmail, Yahoo, that also work, I seen. It will ask for password. Let me enter very fast now. Okay, so now I have a verification code. Apple ID verification code. Okay, it's on my Mac actually. This is very annoying, the two-step verification, because you don't usually have your Mac with you. I thought the battery died. Okay, so let me see, where is this verification code? I can see. Let's click didn't get a code, maybe. Okay, so you can send to your phone. This is also good, but send a new code. Why is, oh, my Wi-Fi is off. My Mac Wi-Fi is off. That's why I'm not receiving the code. So also have to turn the Wi-Fi on here. Okay, as you see, I have the 5 gigahertz band here. Not that links this Wi-Fi. Okay, allow. You show me the iPhone. Tries to. Okay, I don't think this matters for anyone if they see it. I'm going to enter the code right here. It's 450419. Okay, so we can get back to, or we can stay right here if you want. Actually, it's a better view. Just adjust my. Okay, I'm going to bring the phone here. Terms. So terms of confirmation. We click the agree button. Okay, so it takes a few minutes. Focus a bit. Almost drops the camera. I'm just curious if our battery life percentage changed there. It's a very old iPhone, but it has the original battery and still lasts for a few hours. By the way, original batteries are way better than aftermarket ones. Keep your iPhone. Improve by updating. You will receive notification. Okay. Location. We're going to disable for now. Disable location services. Pay setup wallet. We have the setup wallet. Setup later. Okay, chain. I don't really use this. Screen time. Weekly. Setup later. Okay, share. I don't really want to share. It's a very old iPhone. Okay, you can put a dark theme there. You can change it later to light. Let's let it light because we can see better here on the camera. Continue standard. Welcome to iPhone. Get started. Okay, don't care. So let's see that battery percentage. Set our settings battery. And it's still 66. So let me show you the version about. Okay, so it's iPhone 7 5.6. Okay, as you see, it's moving pretty smooth right now. Let's take a photo of the MacBook. You also have this here. Okay, have to turn live photos off later. So that's pretty much it. Hope the battery won't make us problems. Also with 15.5, this part used to get hot. Now it's still a bit warm, but not as hot as before. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe maybe to this channel.